We are Clear Skies Coatings, located just outside Detroit, Michigan. We research, formulate, and manufacture a range of advanced coatings that are eco-friendly and a better performing alternative to industrial liquid paint. Here on our website you can learn why industrial liquid paint is so expensive and dangerous, and how Clear Skies Coatings is revolutionizing the industry. As kids, many of us played with finger paints. They helped us express our imagination and filled our world with color. Paints don't just make stuff look pretty. They can provide protection from heat, corrosion, physical damage, and more. But industrial liquid paint is much different than the finger paints of our childhood. Industrial liquid paint usually contains resins, cross-linkers, pigments, flow agents, and other additives. After being sprayed, industrial paints are placed in an oven, becoming a solid, visually desirable protective coating. But industrial liquid paint comes at a terrible price to ourselves and the planet. See, the ingredients that go into liquid paint are almost always not a liquid. They are solid. In order to be able to spray them, liquid paint manufacturers dissolve these ingredients in solvents. Solvents usually made of volatile organic compounds. Sounds nasty? That's because they are. Volatile organic compounds are explosive, flammable, toxic, and poisonous. Worse yet, when the vapors escape the factory and hit sunlight, they become ozone. Ozone is good, right? Yeah, good in the stratosphere, not at ground level where we breathe. This invisible gas aggressively attacks our lungs, causing inflammation, chest pains, scarring of lung tissue, and can ultimately lead to death. So, the government highly regulates industrial liquid paint, often requiring users to incinerate the vapors so they don't get out into the environment. But for every single molecule burned up, 10 times more greenhouse gases are produced. These greenhouse gases build up in our atmosphere, trap heat, and lead to global warming. Volatile organic compounds are evil. At Clear Skies Coatings, we develop a wide range of coatings in which every single one is environmentally safe. No volatile organic compounds, no ozone, no greenhouse gases. One of the ways we do this is to formulate and manufacture traditional and high-performance powder coatings. We use ingredients similar to liquid paint, but instead of using solvents, we mix, extrude, grind, and sift our ingredients into a powder. Special equipment is then used to place a fine layer of the powder on a part. Using the same ovens as liquid paint, we get results looking the same or even better. But now, safe for people and safe for the environment. Unlike liquid paint, where overspray has to be buried as waste with perpetual legal liability, powder coatings overspray can be collected and reused. And because we don't dilute our ingredients with expensive and dangerous solvent, powder coatings wind up being both better performing and less expensive. You may have heard from a liquid paint provider, you can't paint that with powder coat. It won't look the same. It won't perform the same. Now, we understand the liquid paint suppliers do not want to lose their big profits. Much of what they are selling you is not the paint, it's solvent and all the problems with it. Clear Skies Coatings has proven over and over again that we can replace and improve on traditional industrial liquid paint. We manufacture powder coatings such as primers, top coats, and clear coats, while developing patented formulas for everything from automobile plastic fascia to carbon fiber. And our commitment to protecting our planet doesn't stop there. Clear Skies Coatings has developed a groundbreaking line of liquid coatings that are truly environmentally safe. These are not the watered-down, low VOC, water-based industrial paint some companies try to sell, which, by the way, still often have the problems of VOCs, ozone, greenhouse gases, and still have to be buried with their attached permanent legal liability. These new coatings developed exclusively by Clear Skies Coatings live up to our strict standards. No VOCs, no ozone, no greenhouse gases. An original family of products that includes a liquid coating that makes whiteboards easier to erase, leaving no marker residue. A coating that protects wheels from the accumulation of brake dust. A new line of antimicrobial coatings, and now in development, a coating to fight COVID-19. Our research doesn't stop there. We continually partner with some of the largest companies in the world to test and develop new resins and expand the ability of environmentally safe coatings. And that paint sludge from the overspray of traditional liquid paint? Yeah, we've learned how to process that material and use it as a safe ingredient in our products. From traditional and high-performance powder coatings to industry-redefining innovations, Clear Skies Coatings is the industry disruptor. Our imagination need not stop at our childhood, and that's why Clear Skies Coatings is here. Together, we can save the planet, save lives, save money, and create a better product. Give us a call.